The man sat. The man is on the mat. The man is on the van. The man is on the hat. The man is on the map. Now it's your turn to read. Comprehension questions. What did the man sit on first? Did the man sit inside the van? You did a great job.